Hello students, how are you all? Students, in everyday life we come across statements like it will probably rain today. Second, chances are high that the prices of diesel will go up. Or I doubt that he will pass the test. So the word probably, doubt, chances, etc. used in the statement involve an element of uncertainty. For example, probably rains means it may rain or may not rain. We just predicting rain today on our past experiences when it rained under similar condition. The uncertainty of probability, etc., can be measured numerically by means of probability in many cases. So we can define the probability. Probability of an event is the ratio of the number of trials in which the event happened to the total number of trials. It means this is the ratio of the number of trials which in which the event happened divided by total number of trials. Okay, so now we are able to solve the exercise 15.1, which is based on this formula only. So the first question of exercise 15.1 is, in a cricket match a batswoman hit a boundary 6 times. So a batswoman hit a boundary 6 times out of 30 ball. So we can find that she did not hit a boundary equal to 30 minus 6 equal to 24 times. So therefore probability probability of the events that C did not hit a boundary equal to favorable outcomes upon total events. So favorable outcomes means कि C did not hit a boundary. So therefore number of balls on which C did not hit a boundary equal to 24 upon 30. So when we will cancel 24 and 30 by 6, so 6 4 are 24 and 6 5 are 30. So therefore probability that a batswoman did not hit a boundary equal to 4 upon 5. Same way in question number second, which is given कि 1500 families of 2 children were selected randomly and the following data were recorded. कि number of girls in a family, 2 girls, 1 girls, no girls, and number of families 475, 814, 211 and 1500. This is the total number of families. So therefore we have to find that probability of having 2 girls. So therefore probability of having 2 girls equal to, so number of favorable chances, this is 475, in which the number of families in which 2 girls are there. So therefore 475 upon total number of families, this is 1500. So when we will divide it, you will get 19 upon 60. The same way the probability of getting 1 girl, so here the number of families having 1 girl equal to 814. So therefore favorable chances 814 divided by 1500. So when we will divide it, you will get 407 upon 750. And third case, कि probability of having no girl. So therefore number of families having no girl equal to 211. So therefore favorable chances equal to 211 and divided by total number of families. This is 211 divided by 1500. So now the another part of this question is given कि also check whether the sum of these probability is 1. So therefore when we will add the sum of the probabilities, so this is probability number 1, probability number 2, probability number 3, like this. So when we will add it, so 475 plus 814 plus 211 divided by 1500, when you will add it, you will get 1500 upon 1500 and this is 1. So therefore we can think about कि if we will add all the probabilities, then we will get the answer only 1. It means probability is always greater or equal to 0 and less or equal to 1. Means the probability will lie between 0 and 1, including 0 or 1. Now in question number 4, the question number 4 is given 3 coins are tossed simultaneously 200 times with the following frequency of different outcomes. So here outcomes are given and number of frequency. Here frequency is given. So 3 had 23 times, 2 had 72 times, 1 had 77 times, no head, it means tail, this is 28 times, and number of frequency when you will add, you will get 200. So therefore the question is find the probability of 2 head coming up. So probability of 2 head. So first of all we have to check how many favorable chances. So 2 head chances are 72. So therefore 72 out of 200, it means 72 upon 200. When you will cancel it, then you will get 9 upon 25. So you can cancel it by 8. So 8 9 is 72, and when you will divide 200 by 8, you will get 25. Same way the question number 5 is given कि an organization selected 2400 families at random and surveyed them to determine a relationship between income level and number of vehicles in a family, and the data are given कि monthly income, vehicles per family 0, 1, 2 and above 2. It means no vehicle, 1 vehicle, 2 vehicle and above 2 vehicle. So here slab are given कि less than 7,000, this is no vehicles family 10, 1 vehicles 160, 2 vehicles 25 and above to 0. So similarly 7,000 to 10,000, 10,000 to 13,000, 13,000 to 16,000, 16,000 and more. So here number of families are giving having vehicles, 1 vehicles, 2 vehicles or above 2 vehicles. So total families are given 2400. Now come to the question कि we have to find the probability that the family chosen is earning 10,000 to 13,000 per month and owing exactly 2 vehicles. So you have to check the slab 10,000 to 13,000. This is 10,000 to 13,000 and exactly 2 vehicles. It means you have to move toward this part. So it means this is 29. So 29 is the favorable and the total number of family is 2400. So probability of getting exactly 2 vehicles in this slab is 29 upon 2400. Same way in part number 2, earning 16,000 or more per month and owing exactly 1 vehicles. So 16,000 and more and owing 1 vehicles, exactly 1 vehicle, so 579. So therefore probability of getting 1 vehicle equal to 579 upon 2400. Now part number 3, the slab is given earning less than 7,000 rupees per month and does not own any vehicles. So here we have to check the number of families earning less than 7,000 per month and no any vehicles. So it means we have to check less than 7,000 and no vehicles means 10 families. So therefore favorable outcomes here 10 and total outcomes 2400. So therefore when you will cancel it, then it will be 1 upon 240. In fourth part, earning rupees 13,000 to 16,000 per month and owing more than 2 vehicles. So we have to go in the slab 13,000 to 16,000 and owing more than 2 vehicles, it means we have to move up to this. So therefore here the number of families owing more than 2 vehicles in slab 13,000 to 16,000 is 25. So therefore probability of that event is 25 upon 2400. When you will cancel it, so it would be 1 upon 96. And in part number 5, owing not more than one vehicles. So here owing not more than one vehicles, so we have to just check ki the number of families not more than one vehicles. So not more than one vehicles means we have to take we have to count these number of families and this number of families, because we have to check the not more than one vehicles. Okay, so when we will count it and this part, so we will get the total number of favorable outcomes 2062 and divided by total families 2400. When you will divide it by 2, so you will get 1031 upon 1200. In question number 7, the question number 7 is given to know the opinion of the students about the subject statistic. A survey of 200 students was conducted. Find the probability of, first part, की probability of like statistic and probability of does not like statistic. So it means here opinion are given, like or dislike, and number of students are given 135 and 65. So therefore, if you want to find the probability of the students who like the statistic, so therefore students like the statistic, it means this is 135. So favorable outcomes, this is 135, and total number of events, this is 200. So 135 upon 200, so when you will cancel it, it will come 27 upon 40. In second part, P, probability of the students who does not like statistic, it means this is 65 upon 200. When you will cancel it by 5, you will get 13 upon 40. The same way in question number 11, this is given 11 bags of wheat flour, each marked 5 kg, actually contain the following weight of the flour in kg: 4.97, 5.05, 5.08, 5.03, 5, 5.06, 5.08, 4.98, 5.04, 5.07 and 5 kg. Find the probability that any bags chosen contain more than 5 kg of flour. So first of all, we have to find the bags in which more than 5 kg of flour is given. So here we can count 5.05, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So therefore favorable outcomes are 7. So probability of getting more than 5 kg equal to 7 upon 11, because total events are given 11. Number of bags, total number of bags are given 11. And rest of the questions which are activity based, we will discuss later. Thank you. Have a nice day.